I am Preeti, you're watching Boldsky. All of us want beautiful, flawless skin. None of us want wrinkles, fine lines, signs of aging and sagging skin. And many of us spend our time and money on cosmetics, beauty parlor, facial creams and whatnot. But you can naturally make your skin tighten and firm. And today I am going to show you a very simple face pack, that is coffee face pack, to tighten your skin. Come, let's see it. The ingredients which are required to prepare this coffee face pack are coffee, curd, honey. Take a bowl and now take 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of curd, 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir the mixture until you get a fine and consistent paste. We have our mixture ready now. Before you apply this mixture, wash your face with cold water and pat it dry with a neat towel. Start applying the mixture all over your face and make sure you do not apply near eyes and eyebrows areas. Apply it on your neck as well so that the face tone and the neck tone will be same. You leave the face pack to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. I washed my face with cold water and pat it dry with a neat towel. I could really feel the tightness in my skin when I applied that mixture. For the better results, you have to try this twice in a week. Thank you so much for watching our video. Bye-bye.